Hey guys, what's up? My name is Danish Nadeem and today I'm going to show you Kevin casual slippers that is from Zaif. The upper part is made of PU and lining material and it has a rubber sole. A double banded buckle detail slider comes with open rounded toe and a padded for all day comfort. These enjoyable and effortless slippers can be worn during balmy summer months. You can team it up with relaxed and easygoing casual outfit. So guys, if you have any problem regarding size or quality, no need to worry because you have 365 days, the whole year of refund or exchange policy if the product is in the same condition as it's sold, and experience none other than but on Zaif.